question that I've been getting a lot at the shop is, what is the difference between buying loose tea leaves and tea that comes in tea bags? For one, if you're someone that wants a better extraction, if you really want the whole package, then you want to go for loose tea leaves. You're getting more flavor, aroma when you let that tea leaf unfurl naturally inside the brewing process. There is more of that natural oil from tea that's still retained. If you're buying tea bags, you're getting like bits, like slices of that whole loose tea leaf. Imagine buying a full turkey and you're just getting some small slices of it. If you go for loose tea leaves, you actually have more control as well. You get to set your own temperature, time, pick the amount that you want to brew. There's more freedom, creative expression. Of course, less convenience because, well, for some, you may require more kits, more tools, and more time. But I think it's worth it. You know, that extra time that you put into finding out what hits that sweet spot for you with the tea you're buying. You actually get a much richer experience. Now, when you're buying tea bags, you basically just have to trust what the brand or manufacturer recommends. So when you're brewing loose leaves, you're giving the tea a chance to play, to unfurl, to dance, to spread its wings. Compared to tea bags, well, the tea is pretty much stuck. It's like trapped in a cage. There's not much room for expression. It's like caught in a net. You're getting a different kind of vitality, a different kind of mood. You really want to get that custom experience, get that full extraction, get to really know how your tea tastes like. Then go for loose tea leaves. There's definitely more work and time involved, but you're getting better returns. A lot more potency, complexity. That's true. Anything that's really good is worth the time. I mean, I used to be lazy too, alright? I am no exception. I used to prefer tea bags any day. Like the thought of having to scoop up a certain amount of loose tea and then having to get a filter and then having to figure out how much water temperature I should be applying was just too much work. I guess I didn't have that much patience back then. But once I realized how giving yourself this time to slow down and to make tea for yourself is so special, it forces you to just be more present, be more in the moment. You start to enjoy the process more. This is your time. It's time for you. Like a lot of people are living second to second, not knowing that they are living on someone else's agenda. So when it comes to making tea, this is my time where my focus cannot be wandering anywhere else, but on this process of brewing to recenter, recalibrate, and feel more at ease, more at peace. So let me know what you guys think. How do you guys drink your tea? I hope this helps clarify to you the difference between loose tea leaves and those that come in tea bags.